Hey, welcome into my next video. In this video you will learn how to filter and edit your best photos. So today I introduce one of the best and familiar photo editing into your any iPhone devices. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see, here are my all photos. Now I'm going to choose one of my photos to edit in an original line. So let me just say I love this app. When I take photos on my regular camera on my phone, they don't look this good. Although I do have some suggestion, I think you should be able to add little caption and stickers. I also had an app that is very similar to do this. And one point I tried to get on another filter and it would not let me. Please don't let this happen to this app. Also, to the top left hand of the picture screen there is a little circle with a triangle. When I go there, we can put and filters on the picture. I would like to also add the ARS that have animals and sunglasses. So here is the app, but I have already downloaded Beauty and Filter Camera. Just type to the search B612. Once you download it, from here choose your picture that you want to edit. Just keep following this video and download. After you downloading, just install this app. As you can see here is the photo that I want to edit this photo. From here you can change the editing filters and natural. So here all of them. Here are lots of presets that you want to edit, and also you can download the new presets from this app. Just following this video you will learn the best way. This app is very amazing. You can download this all presets filters from the net, just mirroring Apple Hunter, everything that you want. Download it from here. Just keep following. And also now I'm going to have presets in this photo. I want to edit. Just I choose the clean one and fast 100. Yes, it's okay. So now I have downloaded this, and let's see that I have saved in my camera roll. Go back. As you can see, here is the new photo that I have edited and filtered that's saved in my photos. Now you're able to see. Once you filter your photo, after that download this photo into your camera roll. So here, as you can see, here's my new photos that I have taken in my phone and selfies. So it is one of the best amazing app that you have to use in your tab. Subscribers, please share my videos, and I need your support and subscribe my channel, and also please like my videos and give me a comment, and also share my all videos with your friends. Hope to see you in my next video. I will be create a new video for my all fans. Hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye.